Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out a little more modern classic. This is a 1993 Pontiac Trans Am. Just a sweet car. T-tops. It's got a great look with the American Racing torque thrust wheels. Very clean original interior. And just something that the guy can have a lot of fun with, still take to car shows. But yet it's got some more modern comforts that you don't always get in the older classics. Engine sounds great. We put a brand new Napa Legend battery in it.
Beautiful engine bay.
Yeah, it is. Just very original, well kept. Really sharp looking car. T-tops is a real nice have on something like this. As far as the paint looks great. When you get up close, we're going to point out some stone chips that it's had from years of driving, but overall very clean, especially this front nose area. Typically on these Trans Ams and Camaros, it's really cracked up and beat up. This one's excellent. Super nice and clean. The only thing I really see to point out on here is just a small stone chip right there, but don't see much for cracks or wear on that front nose. Hood lines up great. Another little one there. Nice straight body. I do see one tiny little pea-sized ding right there. A couple little chips. It's got a beautiful gray leather interior that is in awesome shape. Door panels look excellent. Passenger side seat here is awesome too. I don't see any holes or anything in that leather. That looks excellent. Dash, super clean. Same thing with the center console. Back seat's excellent. It seems like a lot of these that we've had in the past, Trans Ams, Camaros, sometimes these back seats get really wore down and beat up. This one's excellent. Headliner looks really nice too. Sometimes with these T-top cars, you'll notice a lot of like wear or leakage in this headliner. This one's excellent. Looks like the T-tops seal up very nice. Carpet looks good as well. We got, looks like our T-tops back here in the correct holders. Looks
Even
like
got an amplifier there too.
Yeah, a nice amp there for the sound system. It's nice to have in this.
No scuffs or scratches on this plastic either. That's
real nice and clean.
Great condition.
Back bumper looks excellent as well. Love the exhaust on these Trans Ams. Passenger side taillight looks awesome. This driver's side, you can tell there's just a little condensation here up at the top of that rear taillight. Driver's side's really nice and straight. Small chip been touched up there.
The paint really has a good shine to it.
Yeah, it's got nice paint on it. It's real sharp. Now it's always hard to say whether something's been repainted or original. I'm guessing on something like this, probably original paint, and then it definitely looks that way when you open up the door and have all the factory stickers. Door jamb super clean. Bottom side of the door is excellent. Driver's side door panel's in awesome shape as well. Same thing with the, well, driver's side seat overall looks good. You can tell it's got some wear or stress in that leather here. Nothing cracked through that I can see, but you can just tell it's aging a little bit there. Steering wheel looks great. Front fender's awesome. Let's drive it. It's got tilt wheel.
Thought I was gonna take it home for myself.
Odometer shows 67,000 miles, so really pretty low miles on this 93 Trans Am. All your gauges work. It's full on gas. The amp gauge works. Oil pressure gauge works. Temp gauge I'm sure works, but we'll see here in a minute once we warm it up. Tachometer works. Most importantly, the AC works and blows ice cold. Radio works. Sounds good too.
Oh yeah.
Turn that off. Wipers work. Horn works. Does have power windows, power locks. Let's see. Driver's side power window works. Passenger side power window works.
Oh man.
These are always pretty fun. Goofball.
It's got some power.
It does have some power.
I don't know why I did not expect that.
Brakes
either
stop
on the
good.
GTA.
I think we're even spinning the wheels a little bit there too.
I know. It's kind of a sleeper car.
It is. It's a sleeper. You don't want to sleep on it. It's a sleeper. Nice shift, great power. Puts you right back in the seat. Speedometer works, tach works. We'll roll our side windows up just to help with the wind noise on camera. 65 mile an hour, goes awesome down the road. And we talked about this on that 88 Trans Am. Same thing with this. These are a lot of fun because they're still a classic. You know, you go to a car show, you still see a lot of this era of cars there. But yeah, you know, you want to jump in and take this for a few hundred miles. You know, you still can with the comfort of four-wheel disc brakes and air conditioning and fuel injection. And they're still cheap in today's, you know, classic car world. The values are starting to climb up on these, but they haven't got as crazy as, you know, some of the you know, American 60s, 70s classics. Brakes are great. Power steering works well. Yeah, they're fun. Picks up speed in a hurry. Cruise control works. We got that set at 70 right now. The cruise works awesome. Front end's nice and tight and straight. Doesn't need an alignment. Just another car. It's ready to fly in, drive it home, and enjoy it. 67,000 miles on the odometer. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.